Oh my God, people. It's the middle of January. It's freaking winter outside. And you know what I hear out here right now? I hear birds. Birds are outside chirping right now. Listen. Can you hear them? Just a little bit ago I saw a robin, and I saw a cardinal, and a bluebird, and a cuckoo bird, and a raven, and a pigeon, and a dodo, and a turkey bird. But I ate the turkey bird because I was hungry. Hear them? Hear them birds? It's the middle of January. It's the middle of winter. And the birds are singing. What the hell's wrong with the birds? They're supposed to fly south for the winter. But you know what? They're not. Do you know why they're not flying south for the winter? They know something you don't know. They know that doom's coming. The birds know the doom's coming down south soon. So they've flown back up north. They don't want to be in the doom. That's why the birds are singing in January. Oh my God.